Hi there, today we visit the Basilica of St. Peter. The Papal Basilica of St. Peter, in the Vatican, or simply St. Peter's Basilica, is a church built in the Renaissance style, located in Vatican City, the Papal enclave, that is within the city of Rome, Italy. It was initially planned by Pope Nicholas V, and then Pope Julius II, to replace the aging Old St. Peter's Basilica, which was built in the 4th century by Roman Emperor Constantine the Great. Construction of the present basilica began on April 18, 1506, and was completed on November 18, 1626. Designed principally by Donato Bramante, Michelangelo, Carlo Maderno, and Gian Lorenzo Bernini, St. Peter's is the most renowned work of Renaissance architecture and the largest church in the world, by interior measure. While it is neither the mother church of the Catholic Church nor the cathedral of the Diocese of Rome, St. Peter's is regarded as one of the holiest Catholic shrines. It has been described as holding a unique position in the Christian world and as the greatest of all churches of Christendom. Catholic tradition holds that the basilica is the burial site of St. Peter, chief among Jesus' apostles, and also the first bishop of Rome. St. Peter's tomb is supposedly directly below the high altar of the basilica, also known as the altar of the Confession. For this reason, many popes have been interred at St. Peter's since the early Christian period. St. Peter's is famous as a place of pilgrimage and for its liturgical functions. The Pope presides at a number of liturgies throughout the year, both within the basilica or the adjoining St. Peter's Square. These liturgies draw audiences, numbering from 15,000 to over 80,000 people. St. Peter's has many historical associations with the early Christian Church, the Papacy, the Protestant Reformation, and Catholic Counter-reformation, and numerous artists, especially Michelangelo. As a work of architecture, it is regarded as the greatest building of its age. St. Peter's is one of the 4 churches in the world that hold the rank of major papal basilica, all 4 of which are in Rome, and is also one of the 7 Pilgrim Churches of Rome. Thank you for joining us in our journey to explore our world. We hope to see you again. Please subscribe.